हेलो एंड वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स। आज की वीडियो में हम क्लास 10th के फिजिक्स के मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट चैप्टर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू सॉल्व करेंगे। तो आप भी अपनी प्रिपरेशन चेक कीजिए और मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में बताइए कि आपने कितने क्वेश्चंस के राइट आंसर्स दिए हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द गिवन इज द एसआई यूनिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट? ऑप्शंस ओम, एम्पियर, वोल्ट, फेराडे। Right answer is ampere. The rate of flow of an electric charge is known as options electric potential, electric conductance, electric current, none of these. The right answer is electric current. The amount of work done in joules when one unit electric charge moves from one point to another point in an electric circuit is called options electric current, electric resistance, electric conductance, potential difference. Right answer is potential difference. The unit of potential difference is options volt, ohm, ampere, Faraday. The right answer is volt. On which of the given resistance does not depend? Options length of conductor, area of cross section, temperature, density. Right answer is density. The relation between potential difference and current was discovered by options Newton, Ampere, Ohm, Volta. Right answer is Ohm. A fuse wire is inserted in which wire? Options live wire, in the neutral wire, in the earth wire, may be connected in any line. Right answer is live wire. When electric current is passed through a bulb, the bulb gives light because options electric effect of current, magnetic effect of current, lighting effect of current, heating effect of current. Right answer is heating effect of current. In parallel combination of electric appliances, total electrical power options increase, decrease, does not change, remain same. Right answer is remain same. How the charge will flow? Options by hitting them, by applying potential difference, both, none of these. Right answer is by applying potential difference. The potential difference applied is directly proportional to a current only if options always, never, sometimes, when temperature is constant. Right answer is when temperature is constant. If length of a conductor and its radius is increased twice, how the resistance will change? Options resistance will remain unchanged, resistance increase twice, resistance will become half, resistance will increase 4 times. Right answer is resistance will become half. Which of the given conditions represent more resistance at constant temperature? Options: the red line, the yellow line, both are equal, cannot be said. Right answer is the red line. Due to flow of positive or negative charge or both charges at a same time. Options: electric current is produced, light is produced, heat is produced, air is produced. Right answer is electric current is produced. If the current flowing through a fixed resistor is half, the heat produced in it will become options: double, half, one-fourth, four times. Right answer is one-fourth. The commercial unit of energy is options: watt, watt hour, kilowatt hour, kilojoule. Right answer is kilowatt hour. The other name of potential difference is option: amperage, wattage, voltage, potential energy. Right answer is voltage. The unit of electrical resistance is option: ampere, volt, coulomb, ohm. Right answer is ohm. The resistivity of a certain material is 0.6 ohm meter. The material is most likely to be options: the insulator, a superconductor, a conductor, a semiconductor. Right answer is semiconductor. The device used for measuring potential difference is known as options: potentiometer, ammeter, galvanometer, voltmeter. Right answer is voltmeter. An electric fuse work on the options: chemical effect of current, magnetic effect of current, lighting effect of current, heating effect of current. Right answer is heating effect of current. Which of the given statements is true regarding ammeter and voltmeter? Options: ammeter is connected in series with the required device, voltmeter in parallel. Both ammeter and voltmeter are connected in series with required device. The voltmeter is connected in series with the device ammeter in parallel. They can be connected in any way. Right answer is ammeter is connected in series with the required device, voltmeter in parallel. Resistivity of a wire depends upon options: length of the wire, material of the wire, cross section area of the wire. All the above are correct. Right answer is all the above are correct. What happens to the resistance of a circuit if current through it is doubled? Options: resistance is doubled, resistance become half, resistance remains same, none. Right answer is resistance remains same. The work done in moving a unit positive charge across 2 points in an electric circuit is measure of options: current, Potential difference, resistance, power. Right answer is potential difference. Thanks for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe.